Welcome to the DragStat how-to video series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps necessary to unlock the demo mode after you purchase the software. After installing a new version of DragStat racing software, you will find that it runs in demo mode. Demo mode allows you to try out most of the features before buying. After you buy the software, you will need to unlock the demo mode to gain access to the full capabilities of the software. There are several ways to do this. First, when you launch DragStat, you are prompted with the Demo Mode dialog box. From here you can simply click on the Unlock Demo button. If you already clicked past the Demo Mode dialog, you can still unlock the demo mode. If you do not have a logbook open, click on the Unlock Demo Mode button on the home page. If you have a logbook open, you can find the Unlock button in Settings. Click the Settings menu, then select the About tab. After clicking on the Unlock Demo button, you will be prompted with the Authorize License dialog. Click on the product code and press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. This will put the code on the Windows clipboard for future use. Now log into your email account and compose a new mail message. Or you can click the email link in the dialog to bring up your email program. If you access email from a browser, you may need to manually navigate to your email website and compose a new email message. Address the email to support@dragstat.com. Enter license key request in the subject line. Click in the message body and press Ctrl+V to paste the product code that you copied earlier. Click Send. You will receive a reply with a license key. Please note it may take up to a few hours to receive the license key. Once you receive the license key email, open it up and select the license key text by clicking on it and dragging the mouse. Press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy it. Launch DragStat and click the Unlock button from one of the locations discussed earlier. Click in the license key box, and then press Ctrl+V. This will paste the license key. Now, press Unlock. If it worked, you should see a success message. DragStat is now fully functional. That concludes the tutorial. Be sure to check out other DragStat tutorials to learn about all of the features of DragStat. Thanks for watching.